Hi, all. Welcome to our channel. So, anyone you can learn this concept of SEO on page, please follow your particular guidelines. That is more important for the every beginners to making a website will be top position purpose. In SEO, there is a two kind of technology. One is called on page, second will be off page. Today I can discuss about the on page main topics. What is the URL structure or how we can writing for title description and keyword. First of all, SEO is a call organic traffic. SEO on page refer to the all activities performed within the website to get higher ranking and more relevant traffic and views from the search engine. On page SEO is related to the optimization of the content as well as the HTML, WordPress, PHP source code of any web pages. Some of its accept include meta tags, title tag, alt tag, header tag, anchor text. This all belongs to for SEO on page. In this today we discuss about that how we can writing for URL structure, SEO title, description, and the keyword option where we can utilize this feature. If you go to this option, any kind of search like I'm searching will be here digital marketing training in Hyderabad. When I'm searching this option, what are my first website? Web training, Digital Meda, and IIDE. So number of websites is there. Same like I'm changing will be location. We can write the name is called. So here is that number of website will be changed. The position will be here. And see what is that your will be there. Everything will be in this particular option. Based on the keyword search, the website will be changing for pattern will be here. What the first website will be? Just Jail, Suleika, Rakesh Tech Solutions, simplyhide.com, co.in. Here I'm changing will be here. Amir page. Amir page, see the first website, digitalmarktrainer.co. This will be keyword brand name. Nothing but they will promote your website will be keyword name. Just Jail, Naresh IT, and Lemonize and Satya Tech, Facebook, Digital Broly, Quora, and a digital marketing course in Hyderabad.in. The purely selected keyword will be here, digital marketing course in Hyderabad.in. The purely one particular platform they will select as a keyword. In the previous class we discussed any domain name selection will be three types: brand name, keyword name, and username. If you come into any one, Digital Broly is a username, and this will be keyword name. Digital marketing course in Hyderabad. So how you can writing this concept? First of all, I'm selecting will be here. Go to trending video on YouTube. This is one of the website will be called tollysinnews.com. Any kind of news and promotion purpose, there's a two method. One is the post method, second will be video method. First of all, I'm showing will be post method. So in a post time, the required will be thumbnail is compulsory required. What will happen? Select this particular one song and your YouTube title, your site title will be not both are same. This compulsory important. So search it. How the people will be searching. There is called Gundelona. Is a L will be coming will be double. So video song. GNDELONA. Okay. How people. Gundelona, Lona, and you know, so that's it. Very clear song. So people watching will be here. I can write where you can write post option and the video option will be there. So post time compulsory I need the thumbnail required. What will happen? Thumbnail purpose. Simple. You have option name is called YouTube thumbnail downloader. N number website will be here download purpose. You can copy this URL, click it and download. Size 280 by 720, 640 by 480, 480 by 360, 320 by 180, 120 by 90. So which I'm selected here, this will be selected for download it. After this one, select by here, this will be a particular title. Gundala, Dachedi video song. Select by notepad and select by characters. How many characters will be? Only for 45 characters. How to know this one? View enable status bar. The character will be showing will be here like this. This will be 45 character, 35. This will be 27. Done. After that, you can select the category. Movie reviews, news, web series, news, and home tour. This will be movie news. After this one, select here option. Any description or information is there. Who is the cast, everything will be here. That all will be into the update by your particular option. So here everything is there. Notepad. What are the content you will be shared? Everything will be from Notepad option. After title, song by which movie? Song by Odidevara. Song by which song by Odidevara. So copy this one. Description. After this one, what are the names are here? What are the benefit I tell you here? This I'm writing here in this. Based on our description, Vishwa Sen. This is a hero name. Vishwa Sen. Latest video song. I'm not searching for a song name. And what I'm searching for, Vishwa Sen latest video song. This is called your particular keyword. Where you can mention will be here SEO keyword. People searching for celebrity name, movie name, anything. Suppose here, Ori Devura. Movie. Why we can mention movies called Google understand purpose. Ori Devura latest video song, which is coming for Gundelona. People searching for song name or movie name or hero name, anything, the show will be here. Suppose I'm selecting will be hero name. Asha, latest video song. See, Asha is a known two names. The showing will be here like this. So hero name, anything will be selected will be here. That all will be keywords option. Keywords purpose. Copy this song also. Finally, where copy the URL. URL time compulsory remember. After URL, V is equal selected by the 11 characters. Remain after 11 characters, remain all will be delete. After V is equal, we update by the 11 characters. And when upload any image time, your title and image name will be both are same. You can upload your image. What is the image name here? Look into this. Some TI for something is there. Rename the video name. Which title are you using? Same one we can using for image name also. What is the purpose? I tell you. But what we are writing here, Gundelona, Gundelona, dache video song by Odi Devada. We can writing has the Odi Devada movie. If I'm searching will be latest movie video song, you will visible also this keyword. When it is visible, when you are working on SEO off page, now this will be writing skills on particular video. Vishwaswain latest movie, latest Telugu movie, Hindi movie, Tamil movie, anything by adding this particular SEO title, SEO description and SEO keyword. Click for submit. So where you can display movie news display. So people can easily understand. గుండెలోన నిన్ను చూసే నిన్ను దాచే video song. After this publish, you have refreshed the URL 3 times. Once refresh is finished, start another refresh. Once the second refresh will be finished, go for third refresh. After third refresh, fourth, and is a final score. Once it's done, fifth refresh. Is it clear? So this is the way you can upload the every option on your particular website. So that is the mainly focus about the upload the content on your particular website. So your YouTube title and your website title not both are same. Or they were a latest movie song, or they were a movie, or they were a cinema updates, or they were a cinema, etc. etc. That all will adding for your particular SEO title, description, and keyword option. This is a pattern we'll be using for admin panel, properly created by the URL structure, meta title tag, meta description, meta keywords. There is a call example. In all this option, which is the URL structure? This is the URL structure. So how we can display the URL structure? www.post info article number 840 Gundelan Ninnu Dacha video song. Here is the option. There is no mention by the movie name, everything. So that is the option will be selected by the your particular things. So this is the way we can writing for SEO title description keyword on your particular each and every website. Now this is every concept will writing for SEO on page. Compulsory you follow this information in the URL structure here, and this is the on page code, title description keyword author name, and this will be SEO title. I'm taking one example: online movies, watch online movies, free watch online movies, and watch free movies. Number of things we writing will be using SEO description and keyword and title. This is a pattern will be follow. Your website will be going to top position purpose. Right here, any questions are here. You can contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.